Hi folks, and in this video what we're going to do is we're going to apply some sort of clothing to our character by building a basic pickup. So what we're going to do is first of all go to our lovely content library and we're going to just create a folder and we'll call this outfits, like so, and within this we'll create a folder for our first outfit, which is actually going to be a tunic. Just like so. Right, then what we're going to do is we're going to find our sprites that we're using. At this moment in time I've built a PNG for a basic tunic sprite for my character, which actually overlays the player quite nicely. So I'm going to drag that in and drop that into this lovely folder here, just like so. Now, the first thing that you need to do with any new file is first of all go to Sprite Actions and apply Texture 2D settings like so, which will then just quickly get rid of all the lovely transparent points in the background. So we've got a nice transparent data, just like all PNGs should have. Then what we're going to do is actually just break down the sprite actions by extracting this sprite sheet. And now, beforehand we did this by doing an auto extract. What we're actually going to do this time is we have to do it by grid, just in case it moves the position of any of the objects. Now I know that my character is 32 by 32 pixels, so I'm going to just set it to be 32 by 32 pixels. And also I'm going to just give this a name, so we'll call this tunic, like that, curly brackets, then the 0 index there to associate with that. Now I should have a basic tunic setup, which I can then extract just like so. Fantastic. Now what we're going to want to do with this tunic is first of all just break this down into our lovely animation setting. So what we'll do is we'll work out which ones are the right frames, the up frames, the down frames. This is going to be more difficult than I anticipated because it's put them all in the wrong order. Let's just delete all these out a second. Delete like so. Relaunch. That's fine. Go to sprites, extract sprites. Do it like this. Auto, set it to a grid, 32 by 32. Not going to change the name of it this time. Then extract. And again, now, there we go, it's done it in the correct order. How very strange. Right, so what we'll do is just highlight the 5 ones going downwards, create a flipbook, and call this tunic down walk, or tunic walk down, like so. Then let's do it for the right ones. Tunic walk right. Then for the left ones, tunic walk left, and then finally them going up, just like so. And there we go. So now we have all the lovely tunic walking animations. Now we can test these out on our main player character. For now, just going to our main player character, going to the viewport, and what we'll do is we're going to add a paper flipbook in this scenario by going to components and type in paper flipbook. There we go. And just adding that just in front of our player character. Now what we might want to do is go onto perspective mode, right onto the actual character, backwards, there you go, and just move it a single pixel in front of the actual other image. So now, that's behind, that's the wrong way. So now we should end up with our lovely image working for our character when they're walking downwards. Of course, this isn't what it should be looking like at this moment in time because it's not in line with the actual animations itself. So what we're going to do in the next video is we're going to update it and cast the data into an array so it works out which animations to be playing for which outfit to be wearing.